Hello everyone, good morning. This is Simran. I am representing my company named LG Electronics. We put people first. The name of product is Microtech Portable Microscope. I know you all will be very curious that what is going to happen in this presentation. So without wasting any single time, I want to let you know the agenda of today's presentation. Basically, I'm going to give description of our product, which is going to be sell in the market. So before initializing, I would like to introduce with our officers or a company so that you guys will be aware that what is the reputation of our company in the market. Talking about our company offices, we are providing the services around the globe. Our main headquarter is in Udon, South Korea, and our Ontario branch is located in New York. The main aim of our company is to provide the best quality experience to our customer and to satisfy our customer by selling price at a reasonable price. Apart from this, our main idea behind our company production is to provide aim to local people, and our company present a slogan is innovation for the better life. So now let's have a look upon the product. Here I showed the uh, image of product so that you guys will be aware how it looks like. So this is a Microtech portable microscope, and here the images of its product. Later we will discuss it completely. uh, Moving further towards the history of the portable microscope, like when it was invented and what changes you guys will be seen from the invention, from the day of invention till now. Earlier, the first microscope was made by renowned company Hirexco Limited in 1986 in Tokyo, Japan. And after some time, in the year of 2005, they invented new advanced microscope with all-in-one unit, which doesn't require any computer but had a computer and monitor built in it. Apart from this, with the passage of time, in the year of 2015, they again introduced a new system which had a separate computer, but along with the USB 3.0 to connect with the computer. Now I'll talk about our portable microscope, which is more condensed as compared to its previous models of microscope, just because of its less cabling and its physical size. Now let's discuss about the definition of this product. Basically, you can connect it to a computer over a USB port and then watch images directly on the computer screen. You can even also take videos, pictures, etc., and many more. As it works on a low power, so you don't need to be worried about the consumption of electricity. Its major ability to view an object up close. It basically needs a solid base to sit on, which is known as a portable stand. I will discuss it further. And it also has a webcam with high powered micro lens and an inbuilt light LED light source. Now have a look upon its parts and its description. First of all, LED source light, which is an inbuilt light in portable microscope. It doesn't need any eyepiece to have a look or to view any object. Another major one part is digital camera. It is also an inbuilt camera and has capacity of 1.3 MP to 5 MP, but it can also be increased as per user requirement. Whatever user he or she wants, he or she can increase or decrease is as per his demand. Along with that, the another one part is USB port. It is also a major one port, which expand the memory of storage of images and videos recorded during imaging. Another major one part is microscope stand. It is just a base of portable microscope because without this stand, the microscope cannot sit on stand on. Now have a look upon the parameters of usable microscope portable. Its focus range is from 10 mm to 250 mm, and its magnification ratio is amazing, which is 40x to 1000x. Its video format is AVI. On the other hand, photo format is JPEG or BMP. Light source. For the light sourcing, it has 8 LED lights, which provide a very good quality and can be adjustable by control wheel. Power source is 5-volt DC from the USB port. Moving further towards its effective magnification, which is also one of the major feature and that attracts the user to purchase this product. as its magnifying abilities is 40x to 1000x magnification. So as I have discussed earlier, that it can be increased or decreased as per user's demand. Mainly its magnification is dependent on the camera's high resolution. Let's move further toward its advantages. Most of the microscopes are very cheaper to buy, so anyone can afford it. And as it portable, so it is a pocket friendly product, so you can just keep it handy and go wherever you want. Along with that, as it's a light microscope, so it is very easy to use, so you guys don't need to be worried about how we use it. It's very easy. Along with that, as it's small and lightweight, so it is also one of major advantage of this. We can study microorganisms, cells, or any more technical devices can be repaired by using this microscope. It is capable to every device such as iOS, Android, Windows. It works on every device. So now let's move towards the uses of microscope. Well, as it is a technical product, majorly it is used to repair the technical things like mobiles, keyboard, mouse. But apart from this thing, it can also be used in another things also. Like we have look upon multiple things around us. You just can keep the microscope run through and see how they look like. Every surface is going to be different. Along with that, this microscope is also used in ENT examination. So these are its major uses. Moving further towards a comparison of portable microscope and the traditional microscope. As it has 8 LED lights, so it has a very amazing quality to view the objects very clear. On the other hand, the traditional microscope was lacking in this feature. It was less able to examine the thing clearly. And the magnification, as I have discussed earlier, is 40x to 1000x. On the other hand, the traditional one microscope was having only 15x magnification, which is very small. And as it's cheaper and handy, it is also a good comparison from the traditional one, because traditional one was very expensive and heavy as well. Now let's discuss its price and warranty. First of all, basically its price varies according to the specification and the parameter of the product. As if a product has less specification and parameters, then the price will be very small. I mean to say that if the specification and parameters are not so fine, so it will be ranging from around $20. On the other hand, if you are looking for a very good product with including all the features, then the best model will come up with at around $50 per piece. So we also provide warranty card, so that this product will come with a warranty card of 1 year. We will repair the product absolutely free during this time, but you must be come in our office with a warranty card along with you. And one thing I want to clear, that if any part of the microscope of the portable microscope got damaged, then that will not be included in the warranty. So for those requirements, you have to cost additional charges. Why you need to this product, as it's a best quality product at a very reasonable price. So I think it's a better way to come up or to view the things very clearly. And apart from this, as we are, our company's main aim is to prioritize the customer first, so customers right are priority for us. Along with that, as our company is most selling company, one of the most selling companies since 2010, so that's why I think you guys should have to purchase this product from our company. That's it. Thank you for joining me.